Hey guys, what's up? Welcome to my channel. If you're new, I'm Kelly. This is KBellaBeauty, and welcome to another unboxing. I feel like I haven't done one in a while. I used to do these every single month, and then I just kind of got bored with them. And I felt like if I'm bored with it, why film it? Everybody else is going to be bored watching it. But I feel like I got a really good box this month, and we are talking Play by Sephora box if you're new to my channel or new to these videos. But I am subscribed to the Play by Sephora box. If you're not familiar, it's the monthly subscription box with Sephora. It's like $10 and some change. I get charged on the first of the month, and then my box usually comes around the middle to the end of the month. So this is March's box. I thought that it was very interesting, and I thought that there were some good products, so I wanted to share them with you. So if you're interested in seeing what I got in this month's Play by Sephora, then go ahead and keep on watching. First of all, I really like the bag. I like when they do different types of bags. A lot of times their bags will just be white, and then there's like a different saying or design on the front. But this one is like a tie-dye blue, and it says, "Beauty is my spirit animal." So this bag is really cute. I was really excited to see that there's a different bag this month. And then also, if you're not familiar, they do have a little pamphlet full of information about all of the products that I received. So I'll be reading from this information and just kind of letting you know about each of the products. And then there's also a card on the front for 50 extra beauty insider points when you shop online. Not online, when you shop in store at Sephora. And I typically forget to bring this with me when I go to Sephora, so I've kind of started making sure that I'm like pulling them off of the pamphlet and shoving them in my purse, because a lot of times I don't like plan a trip to Sephora. It just kind of happens. So yeah, if you are interested in checking these products out, go ahead and keep on watching. So also, as I'm getting started here, if you hear any weird sounds or anything like that, I do have Bentley and Royce in the room with me. My husband is out running errands right now, and these two get into trouble when they're left alone. So I usually try to film without them. Bentley's never been a problem. Like, he could always be in the room with me, but Royce is a little bit of a monster. So I'm going to start by pulling out this first product here, and it is a primer by Murad, and this is the Invisibler Perfecting Shield Broad Spectrum SPF 30 primer. It does say that this is a primer and anti-aging treatment in one, so I actually have tried this before. It does say that this Invisible Skin Perfecting Shield blends together advanced treatment primer and SPF technologies to blur and protect while combating signs of aging, and 95% saw improved smoothness and texture. So this actually has like a little pump on the top, and you like press it down and the product comes out, if I'm remembering correctly, and then you just kind of put it all over your face like you would a primer. I tried this like over a year ago. Like, it's been a while, but if I'm remembering correctly, I feel like it kind of had a silicone-y texture. So I do remember it smoothing out my skin, but it wasn't hydrating or anything like that. It just kind of had a little bit of a silicone-y texture. But I do like the fact that it has SPF in it, because I live in Texas, so I definitely need to protect myself from the sun, and this is a really good way to do so because my moisturizer doesn't have SPF, so I would have to go in with extra SPF, and I can do that in the form of a primer here. I also did get a lip product by Buxom, and this is the Plump Line Lip Liner. And I think it's like a crayon that you could use just to put all over your lips. This is it right here. This is in the shade, how do I figure out the shade? Hush Hush. This is in the shade Hush Hush. So I don't know if they gave out different colors, but mine is Hush Hush. It does say, well, it's described as a warm cinnamon pink shade with a matte finish. So, oh, okay. There's a brush here on one side, and and the pencil here on the other side. So let's swatch it. Totally a Kelly shade. This is a mauve Kelly shade through and through. It does say that this formula features a peptide and hyaluronic acid booster to plump up the volume of your lips without irritation. Plus, this on-trend color is perfect for all-day wear, so I'm excited about that. I think I probably won't use the little brush tip. That looks a little bit interesting, but I'm definitely excited about this color because I can see myself wearing this. It's like my perfect everyday go-to shade. So this is really, really interesting. I used to get a sample of a perfume in every single bag, and I didn't really use those too much, so I'm glad that they're kind of replacing it with something else. But this is an anti-frizz hair sheet. So it says this is a one-of-a-kind individually packaged hair sheets that rid your hair of frizz and add a lovely scent on the go. So I guess you're just supposed to unfold this and smooth it all over your dry strands from root to tip, and it will tame static and frizz anytime. I'm definitely gonna use this because I do have very frizzy hair, so I will let you know my thoughts on this product. Next up is a foaming cleansing makeup remover. This is by Lancome. It says that it's a double duty face cleanser and makeup remover infused with, how do you say that? ACACIA honey? Okay, interesting. This unique formula goes onto the skin with a thick honey-like texture and transforms into a velvety mousse once emulsified with water, washing away impurities without over drying. You just put a dime-sized amount of product and you smooth it over dry skin and then wash away and then add warm water to lather into a foam, rinse off, and use nightly. So, interesting. I guess it's going to be like a foaming type of cleanser, but oh, it smells good. You put it onto dry skin. So I'll be interested in trying this out and seeing how well it removes my makeup. I've never even heard of it before. This next product, I'm pretty sure I've gotten a sample of this before in a Play by Sephora. It is the Let the Good Times Roll Verb Ghost Oil. And this is supposed to be just like a smoothing oil that you can add into your hair. It's supposed to be frizz-defying, it says. A frizz-defying hair oil that delivers essential nutrients to your strands. This ultralight serum uses a moringa oil blend to detangle, repair, and make your hair shine for days. It's perfect for keeping your dew frizz-free all festival long. So, like I said, I've gotten a sample of this before. I don't remember my sample being this big, but I thought that I got my sample in a Play by Sephora. However, I could be wrong. Either way, I lost it. I don't know where my sample is. I took it traveling and it disappeared. But I feel like this made my hair feel a little greasy. And I typically have dry hair, but I could have been using too much. I think you probably just need like a little tiny amount. And I usually use this like after I've washed my hair when my hair is still damp. And yeah, it says that here, distribute a dime-sized amount through clean, damp hair before styling for heat protection. So I'm definitely in need of a hair oil, so I will get some good use out of this. And my last product is a Sephora collection. This is, I think it's a powder foundation. Matte Perfection Powder Foundation in shade 14 Neutral Linen. So this is a modern hybrid powder foundation with a creamy texture and buildable soft matte finish. 91% of people showed matte skin for 8 hours. I typically don't go for matte since I have dry skin. 100% agree that it's comfortable and does not dry out the skin. 97% agree it doesn't settle into pores, fine lines, or wrinkles. And 94% agree that it instantly cancels out shine and oil. So maybe, this is what it looks like here. Maybe I will try this out under the eyes. I don't powder my whole face, and I don't think I would use this like in place of a foundation, but I might try to use that to set the concealer under my eyes and see if it works that way. Because, I mean, I obviously would want my under eyes to be matte, but as far as the rest of my face goes, I don't really need my face to be matte. It's dry enough as it is. But either way, I'm excited to try something out from the Sephora brand. That is going to do it for this month's unboxing, or last month's unboxing, I should say. This was the March 2018 box. If you did enjoy this video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. Let me know if you guys want to see this every month. I can film it every month if you want. Otherwise, I'll just kind of throw it in now and then, like when I feel like I have some pretty exciting things to share. I was really excited about the bag this month, about the Buxom lip liner. I'm interested in trying out that makeup remover and the Murad primer. So I felt like this was a pretty good bag. I wanted to share it. If you guys have tried any of these products out, let me know your thoughts in the comments down below. Otherwise, I hope that you will subscribe before you go. I do post 3 videos a week, one either on Mondays or Tuesdays, depending on my Test It Out Tuesday series, one on Wednesdays and one on Saturdays. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll talk to you soon. Bye.